What if entire planets could be brought back from the dead? Imagine Mars glowing with oceans again, or a barren frozen world reignited with fire at its core. This isn't just fantasy. Some scientists believe the blueprint for resurrecting extinct planets might already be within our reach. And if we can breathe life back into a world, what does that mean for the future of the universe and our place in it? Planets die. Some lose their atmospheres. Others become nothing more than cold, lifeless rocks drifting through the void. Our solar system itself holds reminders of this cosmic graveyard. Barren Mars, scorched Venus, even moons that may once have hidden oceans beneath their icy shells. But what if death in the cosmos isn't final? What if these worlds aren't lost, but waiting? Scientists are already imagining what it would take to reawaken a dead world. Think of it as terraforming 2.0. Could we thicken an atmosphere again? Could we spark geological activity by reigniting a planet's core? Or even redirect asteroids to kickstart tectonic processes? These are no longer wild daydreams, but real, speculative models being considered by planetary scientists. Of course, the scale is beyond anything humanity has ever attempted. We would need energy sources that make Dyson spheres look small. We would need technology capable of manufacturing entire atmospheres. And the time frame? Not decades, not centuries, but millennia. Resurrecting a planet would be the ultimate long game of civilization. But even if we could, should we? Playing God on a planetary scale raises profound questions. Who owns a resurrected planet? What if our meddling creates unintended consequences, new ecological disasters, or dangers we can't predict? Reviving a planet isn't just science. It's philosophy, it's ethics, it's responsibility. And yet, there's hope. The lessons we're learning from repairing Earth's own climate may be the very knowledge that allows us to breathe life into other worlds. Advanced AI, quantum engineering, even interstellar-scale energy harvesting could one day give us the tools to turn dead rocks into living worlds again. So, could we resurrect extinct planets someday? The science is only just beginning, but the dream is alive. And maybe, just maybe, the greatest legacy humanity could leave behind is not just surviving on Earth, but transforming the universe itself into a living cosmos.